What is going on, guys? Today I'm doing a review of the CH700Ns. I've been using these headphones for quite a while now, and I have to say right at the beginning, these are my favorite headphones. In this review, I'm going to go over the pros and the cons that I have found with using these, so you can see if these match your needs for what you want in a pair of headphones. The biggest pro for me is a 35-hour battery life. And that's not them just advertising a 35-hour battery life. It actually has a 35-hour battery life. It's crazy how long it is. That's almost a day and a half of straight listening just from the Bluetooth battery power. Now, if these ever do die, which they probably won't, you can always take the cord that it comes with it and plug it in right there, and you got yourself a wired pair of headphones that are never gonna die on you. Now, a second really important thing with Bluetooth headphones is the Bluetooth connectivity. Just because they're Bluetooth does not mean the connectivity is that good. I've used a lot of cheap Bluetooth headphones and earbuds, and connectivity always seems to be a common issue. These have a fantastic range, as well as they don't get affected by like wind and walls. I mean, literally, when I'm in my dorm, I can walk out of my dorm with my phone still in my room. I can go to the bathroom. That's like 2 walls. It still connects. I'm still listening to music. I walk back in my dorm. Now, obviously, you have hands-free calling. That's normal. I don't really need to go over that. You have an app for your EQ. You can change some of the sound settings, but honestly, once you get them, you're never gonna need to change them. As soon as you hear these, you're never gonna want to change them. It most surprised me how good the sound quality was. And it's not good as in like, oh, that sounds really good. It's different. When you listen to these, you have a deep, strong bass, but you also have really good treble and really good mids. When I listen to a lot of Beats headphones, you have a lot of bass, but the bass overpowers everything. And it seems like it's impossible to get bass to not overpower it, but somehow in these headphones, it doesn't overpower it. You can hear each part of the music so crisp and clear and perfect, and it sounds incredible. It's the separation of sound quality that you can't get in like any headphones that I've listened to, especially for the money. As well as having amazing sound quality, these are also really comfortable. They fit your head pretty snug. They're not too tight though, and they have really nice padding on them. The next pro is they're really sturdy. Like, I mean, obviously it's Sony. They have really good quality for the headphones. They got metal up here for the bands. You just never feel like these are gonna break. You always feel like you can just, put them in your backpack, no case, and you'll be fine. I never use a case, and I constantly put these in my book bag, completely unprotected, and they're fine. This thing is really, really good button controls. On the left earphone, you have your power button, your micro USB for charging, and your 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as noise canceling on and off button. Then on the right headphones, you have your music control as well as volume up and down. Music control button / lever is insanely intuitive and extremely nice to use. When you press it, you have to press it a bit in, but I love that about it. If you're wearing gloves, you can still easily push in the controls. To go to a next track, it's not a separate button, you push it forward. When you want to go back, you just pull it back. It's extremely nice to use, it's so intuitive, it's so easy, it's so practical. This is the best music controls on any headphones that I have ever used, hands down. Now as well, you also have active noise canceling, which is really nice to have if you're on a plane or something like that. Now you can get 2 versions of this headphone, and both of them will be linked to Amazon below for you guys. The first version is $100, and that is just the headphone with everything that I just told you. And the other version of it, which is about $30 more, has Alexa built into it. So you get Amazon Alexa, which means you can talk to it. You have it all built into your headphones. That's pretty sweet. I'll both of those link below if you guys want to get yourself a pair or just check it out. Now as well, on both sets of headphones, you get a 2-year warranty. You know that if a company's giving out a 2-year warranty, they know they're making a good product. This is a sturdy product. It's not gonna break. It's got unbelievable sound quality. You really cannot go wrong, especially for the price. Now there's 3 cons that I did come up with. Some of them are like kind of minuscule. They don't bother me much, but they might bother you. So I thought that I should add them. The EQ app for this is not on the same par as like it is for the Jaybird app, which is an insanely intuitive, really nice looking and extremely customizable EQ app. It's just not the same, but for me, it doesn't really matter. When I have my Jaybird earbuds, it does matter for that because I like listening in very different styles, and those earbuds change immensely when you do that, from when I'm working out to just listening to music. These, however, don't need as much EQ change because of the sound quality and how different it is. You can hear all the different parts of the songs very clearly, so I never even feel like it needs to be changed. So that's kind of a con and also not at the same time, but I thought I should mention it. Now the next thing is these stop playing when you are right next to a microwave that is running. I know it's very specific, but it even says that. I think it has something to do with the noise canceling or the Bluetooth waves, but it's not a big deal. It's not like if you're walking close to a microwave. It's only if the microwave's on and if you're really close to it, but the noise just won't come through. It won't break them or anything. You just won't be able to hear it as long as the microwave's on, and as soon as you turn the microwave off, you can hear it again. It's a weird con, but you know, it's a con nonetheless. But that's all the cons that I can come up with these headphones. They are fantastic. I'm extremely happy with these. If you guys want to pick yourself up a pair, there's an Amazon link below that you guys can go check out. I have both the Alexa version and the non-Alexa version linked below. I hope this helped you guys with your choice for buying headphones. If it did help you, slap a like on the video. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions about these headphones, drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you extremely fast. But I'll see you guys later. Loss out.